In a world that is becoming more complex each day, every decision counts. With Zeppelin Rental, you are guaranteed to make the right one. Because we turn complex into comfortable. With efficient, safe, and sustainable solutions for your challenges. From a single source, from rental equipment to project solutions. Welcome to Zeppelin Rental. Our construction logistics enables smooth processes with a well-thought-out concept and BIM-based installation planning. Our goals: efficient control of material flows and just-in-time delivery. Thanks to our last-mile logistics, even to the installation site. We also take care of waste disposal management for a functioning circular economy. And we enable pay-per-use invoicing. The digital tool for this, our web-based logistics portal, OLCC. And we support you in managing all flows of people with hardware and our Inside 4.0 software. We also take care of the temporary infrastructure for your project with our construction site and traffic safety. Carefully planned, officially approved, and regularly maintained, it keeps the traffic flowing. For example, with innovative traffic telematics solutions. From alternating traffic guidance to wait-in-motion systems for less congestion and emissions, and to relieve the burden on structures in need of renovation. You benefit from this everywhere: on highways, in inner-city areas, or directly on the construction site. We also take care of site security with fences, barriers, protective walkways, and access control. To ensure that your project runs smoothly, we supply power and water and use state-of-the-art technology to ensure the right temperature. We start with the electrical construction site installation. We plan, rent, install, maintain, and repair the technology. Also, for setting up a charging infrastructure. As a power company and metering point operator, we supply electricity from 100% renewable sources. Thanks to an intelligent metering system, you can always keep an eye on your consumption. Incidentally, we also supply gas and install the equipment for the temporary water supply for your project. And our heating, temperature control, and cooling systems ensure optimum working conditions in any weather. Our modular space systems open up almost unlimited possibilities, whether standard solutions or modular construction, for rent or for sale. We quickly and professionally build for you administration buildings and offices, schools and daycare facilities, event buildings, or site accommodation, also in an operator model if required. All you need now is the right technology for your project. We offer you over 140,000 machines and equipment for every application. In every size, delivered quickly, with different drives, also for sustainable fuels. Excellent service included. And with our online customer portal, you can easily keep track of consumption, CO2 emissions, and contract data. For a low-emission construction site and climate-friendly work. At any time and wherever your projects are. With these solutions, we turn complexity into convenience so that you can work efficiently, safely, and sustainably. Machine and equipment rental, temporary infrastructure, construction logistics. We've got what it takes. Zeppelin Rental.